Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to put a WordPress site on maintenance mode. This crucial step ensures your visitors have a positive experience, even when you're making significant changes. Imagine updating plugins or redesigning a page. You wouldn't want users seeing a broken site. Maintenance mode allows you to work behind the scenes, presenting a professional under construction message instead of errors. It's about protecting your brand and user trust during essential site improvements. The easiest way to enable maintenance mode is by using a dedicated plugin. Popular options like WP Maintenance Mode or Seed Prod offer a straightforward one-click activation. After installation and activation, you can customize your maintenance page with a unique message, a countdown timer, and even social media links. This method requires virtually no coding knowledge, making it ideal for most WordPress users seeking a quick and effective solution for their site's temporary downtime. For those comfortable with code, a manual approach involves adding a few lines to your theme's functions. PHP file. This snippet tells WordPress to display a custom maintenance PHP page to non-logged-in users. Remember to create this maintenance PHP file in your theme's root directory containing your desired message. Always back up your site files before making direct code edits to prevent any unforeseen issues. This method offers more control, but demands careful execution. Before taking your site live again, always thoroughly test all changes in a staging environment if possible. Inform your users in advance about planned downtime to manage expectations. To exit maintenance mode, simply deactivate the plugin or remove the code snippet from your functions. PHP file. After disabling, perform a final check of your entire site to ensure everything is functioning perfectly. This ensures a smooth transition back to full operation for all your visitors.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.